Go.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's fallen. Oh wow, it's so fast. I can't even. Welcome back to the channel. For today, Kira will put a ball. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. It how how it starts from here and it ends in here.
I don't know.
Can they like banggaanay? Can they collide each other? I see.
Follow this ball. Follow this ball.
Okay,
Here you go.
go.
Here you go.
Oh, right there.
Here.
Oh, I see. Thank you. That's so cool. Thank you so much. And this is like physics. It's like domino run.